Hello kids, today learning 2D shapes. Hello kids, 2D shapes and colors, different type shapes and different colors. कौन से colors? Kids, this color, yellow color kids, this color, purple color, this color, red color, and this color kids, light green color, and this color, orange color, and this color, blue color. Kids, shapes drawing. Heart, cloud, moon, sun, cross symbol, smiley emoji, first color yellow, yellow color, heart, kids, heart, red color kids, cloud, red color, cloud, cloud, light green color kids, moon, blue color kids, sun, blue color kids, sun, orange color kids, orange color kids, orange color, cross symbol, orange color, purple color kids, smile emoji, smile emoji kids. This shape repeat: heart, cloud, moon, sun, cross symbol, smile emoji. Kids, this video like and my channel subscribe now. Thank you kids.